Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best golf cart steering wheels in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Mosnai Golf Cart Steering Wheel. Golf Cart Steering Wheel or Adapter Fit Golf Cart Club Car ezgo Yamaha Universal Steering Wheel or Adapter for Club Car DS and Precedent, black D-shaped design, deluxe steering wheel with cool racing style black matte aluminum spokes. Perfect fit with our steering wheel adapter. Ergonomic design for this golf cart steering wheel provides a nice touch and feels great in your hands. 12.5 inches diameter cool racing steering wheel fits ezgo, club car and Yamaha golf carts with steering column adapter. It is easy to install on ezgo, club car and Yamaha golf carts with custom steering wheel adapter. It makes the ride feel better. And I mean more enjoyable. Installation was super easy. Just make sure you get the right adapter for your cart model. And you are set. Golf cart steering wheels provide customers 1-year refund or replacement. Golf attention please. Cart-specific steering wheel adapter hub sold separately. Must be installed with adapter. Number 2. Our second best pick is Leapgo Golf Cart Steering Wheel. This Leapgo Golf Cart steering wheel is a stylish option. This racing style wheel is made from brushed aluminum and comes in standard black, meaning it will coordinate well with any cart aesthetic. The ergonomic design makes this a comfortable choice. The wheel feels great to the touch and handles well, even when steering for long periods of time. The universal design and dimensions also make it a good option for use with a wide range of carts. This 13 inches steering wheel will fit cart models from ezgo, Yamaha and Club Golf. You will however need to invest in a steering column adapter in order to ensure it fits with your cart of choice. Provided you do invest in an adapter, installing this steering wheel is a breeze. Pros: slick racing style aesthetics. Large 13 inches diameter. Ergonomic design and soft to the touch. Easily fitted to a wide variety of golf cart models. Conservative. Not the cheapest steering wheel option. Number 3. Our third best pick is 10L0L Universal 12.5 inches Golf Cart Steering Wheel. This item is a perfect fit for any Yamaha or other regular golf cart. The steering wheel adds a lot of class to the cart and I get positive comments from everyone that sees it. Before ordering the adapter, check the type of steering column nuts. In some cases, you may order the wrong one. For example, depending on the year of the golf cart, there are octagonal and other serrated ones. 10L0L Universal 12.5-inch Golf Cart Steering Wheel for ezgo TXT RXV, Club Car DS Precedent, Yamaha G29 Drive and others Ruby Red. This is 10L0L General 12.5 Gem Red Golf Cart Steering Wheel is ezgo TXT RXV, Club Car DS Precedent. Yamaha G8, G9, G11, G14, G16, G19, G21, G22, G29 Drive. Easy to install, only a few simple steps, you can get the new look of the steering wheel. Ergonomic design, wooden feelings provide a good touch so that your hands do not feel any discomfort while driving for a long time. Packaging includes steering wheel, excluding adapter. Note, you must install different golf carts. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is World 9.99 Mall Golf Cart Steering Wheel fits for ezgo Club Car and Yamaha. This stunning steering wheel from World 9.99 Mall will instantly elevate the appearance of your golf cart. This steering wheel makes a superb first impression with its slick wood finish and chrome accents. The generous 13 inches diameter also provides you with easy steering, with the comfortable handles soft to the touch. This is also a durable choice of steering wheel, with carbon fiber used in the construction to ensure it lasts for a long time. This steering wheel can also accommodate a wide variety of golf car models from leading manufacturers, including Club Car, ezgo and Yamaha. You will need to purchase an adapter to install it, but these are relatively inexpensive. Pros: large diameter. Comfortable to handle. Durable build quality. Stylish wood and chrome accents. Fits a wide variety of golf car models. Conservative. You will need to purchase an adapter separately. More expensive than other steering wheel models. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is RHOX Aviator 5 Golf Cart Steering Wheel. This RHOX Aviator 5 steering wheel offers you an easy way to customize your golf cart. This steering wheel has 13 inches diameter, making it large enough for those looking for ergonomic design and comfortable handling of their cart. The black grip and spokes will also appeal to those looking for classic aesthetics, although alternative color options are available. This steering wheel also features a horn button at the center, although this is an aesthetic detail and is not functional. This wheel can also be used with a variety of golf cart models from manufacturers including Club Car, ezgo, and Yamaha. Pros: superior build quality. Generous 13 inches diameter. Easily installed to a variety of golf car models. Good variety of color and accent options. Conservative. Horn button is not functional. Relatively expensive. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.